Okay, where we're sitting at now, we're still at the manhole outside of Building 8. However, we are looking at what would be the south direction from the manhole outside of Building 8, flowing south toward the manhole outside of the southwest corner of Building 1. It's concrete. It has got minimal upstream flow impairments. I mean, what you're seeing in front of you is this is how paper is going to trap in a concrete line, because it is so rough and coarse that it's going to need a little bit more water to push that without it becoming a snag point. Now, we don't know if this is just toilet paper or if this is paper towels or if it's wipes. It is a paper debris. You can see on the pipe walls, the grease, the solidified material has been removed through the hydrojetting process. We are less than 30% of standing water, working water level in this end. However, as we get to the center of this line, extended from Building 8 to Building 1, it does take on a little bit more water. We know that it's grade impaired, but it is intact, and it is flowing without obstruction at this time. So, I mean, this is your flow from Building 8 to Building 1. And as they zoom in, they're going to have to recenter and let it focus. It does have an autofocus on there once it levels up. The water level in these lines does not allow for a push camera to be able to get through it with visibility. A crawler camera, any kind of step down, step ups, or deviations in the pipe, or just the contour of this pipe, becomes an issue even for our crawler camera. So we operate on a zoom camera to see how far we can zoom in here to give us a working idea of what this line is like. And like I said, these lines in this condition here would greatly benefit from preventative services, educating the residents, and just working within the constraints of what you have as far as the conditions of these lines.